are going to do a Nerf war as we told in the last video. And we should, if you remember, see our last video. We did the facilities of the disruptor and the fire strike. Boom! So now we are going to do with aiming. And then my friend Arjun is going to come. And then maybe we are going to do a Nerf war between disruptor and the shield. But no fire strike. Because it does not work with these orange bullets. It needs a separate pair. Okay, should we start? Yes. Okay, let's start. Okay. I'm going to sit. Boom. Oh, yep, I loaded it. I'm aiming. Oh, what did I get? You have to comment below what did I got, okay? For the
100.
disruptor. Oh, Arjun says 100. How much did I got? Comment.
30.
Oh, Arjun says 30.
100.
Oh, Arjun says 100.
30.
Whoa, I got like all twisted like what? 130, 130. Okay, last two, I want to get 100.
100.
Oh, but I don't know, is he telling the truth? So you have to comment below.
30.
Oh, nice. So now, Arjun is going to come and try the disruptor. And now, as we told, we have to refill it. Okay, first bullet. Second, third, fourth. And if you don't find it, you can play a game called Blind People. How many times you don't find it? If it's like hiding, then it's not called as Blind People. You can count. If you get like some 1 lakh, then you can do some game like Blind Minds. Okay, Arjun, are you ready? I loaded it for you. Okay, are you ready? Go to your place. This is him, if you didn't forget. Okay, ready to shoot? Okay, he's aiming. Oh, I think so, he got some 30. He's loading, aiming, shooting, 30. I guess 30. I guess 30. Comment below. He doesn't know if I'm telling the truth. Oh, I comment like 330s. How many bullets are left? What are bullets are done like that? 30 and 1 is 30. Okay, people. Let's do the Nerf war. Are you ready? Okay, he says ready. So, I'm too ready. Okay, should we stand? I'm holding the camera. Okay, we're going to start. Wait, Arjun, he's going to hold the disruptor. I am my Mr. Shield. Okay, this is the aiming area. You have to try to shoot me. I have to protect it with the shield. Okay, now it's a long job too. Collect bullets, you buffoon. He is collecting and he is refilling it. He collected from me. I collected 5. He collected 1. He's doing cheating. I want that. It's okay. Come on, he's ready. I have to protect. Go back. You have to be below. After that, what? The chair, the small chair. Oh, I'm saving myself. Oh no, I'm saving the camera also. Ow! He shooted at the shield. Oh no, he shot at me. Oh, you didn't have seen me. Whoa! Overloading. Oh no. You have to do one bullet refill. It came out like by mistake, right? Oh, I'm stamping bullets. Oh, I'm protecting myself, but I'm not protecting the camera. Ow! He did you people! He's hitting you. Ow! He hit me. Now my chance to get the disruptor. Ooh! I killed him off. Okay, now colored bullets, you. And refill it. 1, 2. There, take 2. Take. Oh. Okay, you're refilling for me. Yeah. Arjun have to hold the camera to show me. Hold it like this. Okay? And protect yourself from this and hold it like this. Oh, it's protecting our sleepy. I'm very angry. Oh no, sorry camera. I'm trying to score me. Oh no, I'm shooting you. Oh no, I'm shooting you. Oh no, I'm doing fast shooting and I'm shooting you. Oh no, I missed all my six bullets are shooting you people. No. Missy one. Sorry people. Who commented my name? Sorry baby. We are going to get more matches. Beat my rival 100 bullets. I'm border blue one. We are going to make that video more in today's what day? Thursday, right? Next Sunday. Not this Sunday. Don't be so eager to see. But tomorrow maybe we'll make some new videos. But tomorrow I have a test. No, on Tuesday, so I have to study. Or maybe I want to make a video for you people. Okay. If you don't remember, please subscribe. If you like it, like. Turn on notification for any video we upload. You can get it. So ready to start the video? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Bye.